Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear vascular colleague. I'm Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk, consultant vascular surgeon. I'm going to speak today about a project that I have been thinking about for a long time, vascular online training golden cards. The idea of having a golden card is like a flash card. These are cards that collect much information in one page. They are very important. They make your memory to be much better. A lot of vascular surgeons have photographic memory from the operation and the procedure, so they can memorize very well images. It's also very useful for the exam to collect the information in just one page, like cranial nerves, examination, upper limb, lower limb, management of dissection, and so on, classification. It's very useful for clinical thinking. When you are facing with a vascular case, they are extremely useful. And the beauty about these cards is that they collect much information in just one page, concentrate on one topic. Sometimes they are called one-pager. I have gathered over the years thousands of these cards. I will try to introduce you to them, and each one I will explain with a video how this is helpful to you. So these cards, I will put them free to everyone for vascular online training. With this QR code, you will go into a cloud service called the Mega. And this cloud service, I have divided them into multiple folders that you can find all the vascular cards in one place. They are free to download, they are free to use, and if you want to prefer the link, here is the link on this presentation. And if you prefer to use the QR code, this is the QR code. You can picture it and save it as an image, and whenever you press on this QR code you will get a free access to the card. Let us now have an example of the first card in the VOT golden cards. This is the first card that I will put to you, which it's a very useful research tools. When you are doing research or you want to prepare a lecture, I have collected the tools that will help you. It's very helpful also for the study. This is the image that you will see in the VOT card. And if we think of them quickly, the first link is you will get books. Here are the sources of book: libgen.io, gen.lib. Some of these libraries are open, that you can download many books, but some of them are closed. One of the important ones is also script.com, and these are very, very useful too. Now, research article, when you want to get a paper in full page, which means not just to get summary or abstract, but you want the full paper, Sci-Hub is unique. Sci-Hub will give you a very good download to most recent paper and in full text. This is a Sci-Hub. Also, Tree Sci-Hub is very important and very useful. These are IP addresses that can give you a lot of help in order to memorize. You can see this is a collection of all different websites that you can download. Now, if you want to download journals like the American Journal of Vascular Surgery, European Journal of Vascular Surgery, here are a great 4 links that you can have the website. Now, let us go back again on top, and here are software downloads. Sometime when you do research, you need to download software like Python software. You want to do some calculation. Here are very important 4 websites that you can download a lot of very good software. One of them is SPSS version 21 or 22, and these are very useful for research. Now, conferences, if you want to download a big conference, here are 4 links. Our glocal.com, wiki scifp. These are websites that you can download a whole conference, a whole Vascular conference from. Source code, sometimes you need to have a code in order, for example, to calculate p-value, to calculate the significance. And these 2 websites are very important for getting a code. I will add here Blackbox is very nice website to get a software, and that's why it's one of the very useful tools. Now, very useful tool for plagiarism detection, which you mean if you got copy paste from another article, Turnitin is one of the best, but it need to have you need to pay charges per month. Also, iThenticate is a very good website and have a free version that you can detect plagiarism. Article editing, if you want to edit an article, Mendeley is being used by a lot of researchers. Mendeley.com, you can put the article for editing, type the references. Mendeley is one of the best. Also, you can try Typeset. EndoNote is free of charge, and the EndoNote can save paper. Some people used to read paper only through EndoNote. So if you memorize paper that you read 6 months ago, you get to EndoNote, you go to EndoNote, and then you search 6 months ago, and then you will get your paper that you have read because you got multiple resources. Finally, English correction, Grammarly.com. The free version is fantastic. It will correct grammar to your language. So this, I hope, one of the very useful cards that we will be using. I think it's very important to be used, and you can get it free of charge. And I wish you all the best.